What's up guys, Jordan here from Martial Mania, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to do a back lever hold. The back lever is one of the first calisthenic skills that you learn after the L-sit. In a back lever you can either have a pronated grip, which will put more pressure on the anterior deltoids, or a supinated grip, which will put more pressure on the biceps. Keep your arms straight, shoulders depressed, scapula protracted, and maintaining a hollow body position. The main muscles used in a back lever are your forearms, biceps, anterior deltoids, lats, erectus spinae, serratus anterior, chest, traps, and abs. Go find an object at your house, put both your hands on it, walk your feet forward, and from here, depress your shoulders, retract your scapula, and what you're going to do, you're going to lower into extension. Firstly, we are going to start off with reverse leg raises. This exercise is going to strengthen your hips, your glutes, and your erectus spinae. Lower the rings to a difficulty that you can handle. Keep posterior pelvic tilt, shoulder protraction, and your abs contracted while you're moving your arms into flexion. Grab the bar tightly, and from here I want you to go into an active hang. Bend your knees and pull your knees to the bar while keeping your arms straight, and from here lower into a German hang, and from here pull all the way back around. So now we're going to do half the skin the cat, and from here you're going to protract your scapula, depress your shoulders, squeeze your abs and glutes, and tuck in your knees to make the lever shorter. Next exercise is the back lever negative, where you're going to depress your shoulders, protract your scapula, engage your core, and you're going to extend one leg and tuck one leg in to make it easier. And lower as controlled as you can. Once you're comfortable with single leg back lever negatives, you can now start working on the full one. The last progression is the straddle back lever. Thanks guys for watching my video. Hit the like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment down below what tutorial you would like next.